Let's now go to goiter, thyroid problems. Let's discuss diagnosis. The pathology of goiter, chi stagnation, lump goes up and down according to emotional problems. Phlegm, lump is related soft and does not go up and down. Blood stasis, lump is relatively hard, fixed, and probably painful. Liver fire, goiter, relatively soft with nodules. Phlegm fire, goiter is large. Liver yin deficiency, goiter is small. The following are indications regarding the feel of the goiter lump in relation to the patterns. From chi stagnation, from emotional stress and irregular diet, there's chi stagnation. Going to fire and blood stasis and yin deficiency goes to all goes to phlegm. Etiology of goiter. Emotional stress, anger, worry, and pensiveness may all lead to qi stagnation. The liver loses its free flow of qi, lung qi fails to descend and stagnates in the throat. Stomach qi fails to descend, heart qi fails to descend, affecting the throat, and spleen qi fails to ascend, giving rise to phlegm. For diet, irregular eating and excessive consumption of greasy foods and dairy foods weaken the spleen and stomach, which cannot transform and transport food essences. Dampness is formed later, leading to phlegm. Environment. People who live in high mountainous regions lack iodine in water, and this may contribute to goiter. Constitution. Women are more prone to goiter. This is because of the relationship between the liver channel on both goiter and menstruation, and also between the throat and uterus via the directing and penetrating vessel, the Renmai and the Chiangmai. Diagnosis. The goiter swelling in itself always indicates phlegm, which may be combined with chi stagnation or blood stasis. Soft goiter with indistinct edges, varying in size with emotional state, is chi stagnation and phlegm. For large, soft, and smooth mass, it's phlegm. Hard nodular mass that is immovable and grows rapidly, dark skin over mass, it's phlegm with blood stasis. Small or medium-sized goiter, relatively soft, slippery under the finger, is liver fire with phlegm. Thank you for your attention.